Well, welcome you back to the channel down here at the gardens, and it is an absolute beautiful day down here in East Tennessee, Southeast Tennessee. This is probably the best day of the year. So I got my TYM here. I already got it warmed up. We're going to bush hog these gardens, this side and hopefully the other side. I ain't got much gas and or diesel. It's not gas. So hopefully I got enough to get this done and that done, and then we're going to take the cutting harrow, put it on the John Deere. We're going to cut up the biodegradable mulch. You know, if you follow the channel, you know I use it's a plastic mulch, but it's biodegradable. It's made out of corn starch, and you got to cut it up into the soil. The UV sunlight don't have no effect on it. It's the soil contact, so it blends into the soil. It actually kind of amends your soil in a way. So get that done, hopefully. Those on my TYM, it's got 51 hours, so I'm gonna have to do a 50-hour maintenance on this thing. So I'll probably do that this weekend, and I'll film it and show you how I do it. Not done one before, but I have to order the filters and the oil and stuff. So I'll get all the oil locally. Filters I'll have to order. So I'll do that either tonight or tomorrow or something. Get the filters in here, and we'll see what it takes to do this and see how hard it is. And I could take it to my guy I bought it from, let them do it, but I heard it's pretty expensive. So, and it's something I don't think it's going to be that hard. It's just like changing oil in your car. So we'll look forward to that. But hopefully I got enough life left in it. I'm going to do these gardens. Before I get to cutting here, I usually leave this okra out like this, and the birds will come by and pick it up and get these seeds out of here and eat. But they hadn't even touched that this year. There's some years you come by here and there's nothing left. I don't understand what the deal is. I don't know. It's a different variety than I usually grow, so I don't know if it's tougher to get to for them or what. But I usually, like I said, they usually come by during the winter and eat it. But there's tons of seeds in there. And you're saying, why don't you save them and use them as a hybrid? So I've tried that before, and eventually it'll get back to where you have a crop failure. This right here is just full of seeds. Yeah, I wish they would have ate them. Hate that. All right, enough chit chat. Let's get to cutting. I got this half done. Didn't take that long, maybe about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I don't know, I wish I'd timed it. Getting really low on diesel, so I ain't gonna get the other done this evening. So I'll stop and get some diesel on the way home from work. We'll film that other side tomorrow. But you can see, I mean, it's really some really light bush hogging. It looks really good. Still got some moisture in it. The mulch is just about already disintegrated, but I run the cutting wire over it and help it on out some more. If you remember last year, I ran it this way. Let's see, that'd be kind of north and south. First time ever. I usually run it this way, east and west, long way. It's the long way, and I thought I'd try something new. I really like the length of the rows this way. When you're picking, harvesting, or whatever, it don't seem like it takes forever to get to the end. This way right here is 200 something feet long, and once you start picking, I mean, you're there. So I think, well, but I did not like the way it tilled, and I didn't like the way the plastic laid this way. So that being said, and you'll see this in the video, probably, hopefully at the end of February. This is the first or second day of February. I won't get my mulch down early this year. So hopefully, and it all depends on weather. Hopefully we'll get the mulch down, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run it this way, but I'm gonna have a break in the middle. So I'm gonna measure out half and half, and hopefully have like 100-foot rows, and then I'll have a break in the middle. And maybe it won't seem so long and gives a little more flexibility to them planting. We're gonna try some different rotations and stuff this year too. So all that being said, yada yada yada, right? I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna do the other side. I'm actually gonna try to do behind the high tunnels, because some of them I let go. Got those old blackberries down here, or supposed to be, and then I've got a story about those. I'll tell in a different video what happened with those. I just figured that out a few days or a couple weeks ago. And also where I grew my sweet corn last year. We'll till that, mow that all down, and don't know if I'm gonna put potatoes back there or maybe some radishes, some lettuces. Might do all that back there. Put my potatoes on the other side of the garlic. I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, all that being said, we'll come back tomorrow and do some more work. Hopefully, if it don't rain. I don't think it is, man. It is a beautiful day today. I wish it'd stay like this year round. It's about, maybe, feels like it's almost 70, but it's probably more like 65. Like a little breeze blowing. Ain't nobody out. Of course, I don't have any more neighbors. Another one neighbor's selling. Another one passed away a couple weeks ago. So I don't know. We'll see. Hope I get some good ones. We're kind of worried about that. You know what? I'm rambling. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Had to change gears from bush hogging. We had a little baby borns, goat born, and I'll talk about that in the next video. You have to come see that video, see what we named it, see what everything looks, but you can kind of see it on our Facebook, maybe our Instagram. So we had 30 minutes and we went ahead and got another row of these planted, these blueberries. And we're gonna try to get the other one tomorrow. Then we can start mulching real good and decide what we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do with the rest of it. So we'll film it when we get it all done. Hopefully it'll look pretty nice out here, and got a little bit, you can kind of get an idea right here what it's gonna look like. It's gonna be nice. Like I said before, them blackberries, they don't need support. They're self-supporting, and that's gonna be great. So all right, so hope you enjoyed the video. Did a little bush hogging, a little baby moving, a little goat moving, a little planting. About did it, we about did it all. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. We'll see you down here on the farm next video.